Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the color temperature on MSI MAG 321 CUP. To do it, click on the back button, then open the menu, then go down to image, then go to the right and go to color temperature, then go to the right, and now you can set it to cool, normal, warm or customization. And in customization you can adjust R for red, G for green and B for blue yourself. So you can just adjust it yourself however you need it. And then to save it, click on the back button to save, then go back by going to the left. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.